igama ngokuphelele. Mduduzi Trevor Mnisi.
Do you have any objection to taking the oath, sir?
Mnumzane Mnisi, uneyinkinga yokuthi ungathatha isifungo? I do not have, your worship.
Do you regard the oath as binding on your conscience?
Uthatha ukuthi uyazibopha ngaso isifungo ulembaza wakho? Ukhulumele phezulu Mnumzane Mnisi. I do, your worship.
Do you then swear the evidence you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? If you do, then say so, help me God.
Uyavuma ke Mnumzane Mnisi ukuthi ubufakazi ozothula enkantolo kuzakuba iqiniso lonke, iqiniso lodwa. Uma kunjalo ngicela uphakamisela sakho sokudla uthi inkosi ngilekelele ngikhuluma iqiniso. So in your worship.
You may be seated if you
Ungahlala phansi Mnumzane Mnisi.
just speak up, sir.
Are you married?
Ucacile? I am not.
Do you have children?
Yes, I do have children.
How many?
Zingaphi ingane? I have 6.
Your children, where do they reside?
Ingane lezi zona zihlala kephi? With their mothers.
Are you employed?
Uyasebenza Mnumzane Mnisi? No, I'm self-employed.
What do you do?
Wenzani ke Mnumzane? Zokugqoka, zokulala. I sell blankets. Kulokudayisa kwakho kwengubo zokulala nene imali ongathi uyayenza inzuzo ithini? Between 1,800 rands to 2,500 rands.
Who is responsible for the maintenance and support of your children?
Manje uba owondla ingane zakho zondla uba.
Okwamanje ngingakazi ukuthi ngoba ngisafika zama ukuhlanganisa.
At the present moment, I was not yet maintaining my kids because I had just arrived and I was trying to get together my life.
You said you just arrived from where?
Mutu usanda kufika ufike uvelaphi? From prison.
When were you released?
Bakudedela nini? 2018 October. On the date was the 24th.
According to your knowledge, if you were released on bail, will that put any individual person life in danger?
Uma mhlasimbe ngenzeka ke bakumisa bakudedela ngebhila ngisho ingabe mhlasimbe kungaba khona ukuthi umuntu impilo yakhe ezoba engcupheni? No.
You said you wanted to be admitted on bail, correct?
Wena uthi ngiyacela ngicela ukuthi inkantolo ingidedele ngebhili kunjalo? That is correct.
How much bail can you afford?
Imali owazi ukuthi ungakhona ukuyikhokha ukuthi uphumele ngaphandle ngebhili imali 8,000 rand, that is affordable to you.
For your bail application?
Ukhona okunye na futhi Mnumzane Mnisi othandayo mhlasimbe ukuthi ukuveze la enkantolo mayelana nokufaka isicelo sakho sebhili? Khona?
Umama ushawe stroke.
Yes, there is. My mom has suffered a stroke. Ukhulumele phezulu baba. Yes.
Okunye futhi
Speak
okwenzeka
up a little bit, sir.
njengoba ngichaza ukuthi mina lecala leli angilenza ngangazani nalo.
And furthermore, I had explained this to this court, is that I know nothing about these allegations. I did not commit this offense.
Okunye okwenzakalayo ukuthi i-IO kulecala leli ayilandeleli izinto ukuthi ngingazama ukuthi ngiziveze.
Furthermore, the investigating officer of this case, there is some information that I have given him, and he did not make a follow-up concerning those concerning that information.
Okunye futhi okunye kuyenzwa i-investigation officer ishela yona le ntombi yaba.
And furthermore, the conduct of the investigating officer, he is now courting my girlfriend.
Why do you say so?
Yingani usho kanjalo baba uMnisi?
Bukhona ubufakazi efonini yakhe yona le ntombi yami.
I do-
Before ngizoboshwa ngeke ngamchazela naye ukuthi vele mawukuthi yena sekafuna wena obvious uzongibopha mina.
No, I do have proof on my girlfriend's phone, and I even explained to her that if now he is taken by you or shown an interest towards you, he will make it certain that he does arrest me.
Ngoba futhi okunye uhlulekile ukuthi ahambe like kushuthi mina mengilele ngibhizi khona laphana before ngizoboshwa ngeke ngahamba ngazama ukuthola ubufakazi khona laphana elokishini kushuthi kunobaba okhona one video footage.
Even before my arrest, the IO even failed to do this, because what I then did, I walked around the location and there is a gentleman who has a video footage.
Ubaba ubona umufi nabangani bakhe and then
Kulo video footage.
kuleyo video footage.
And in this video footage, it depicts the deceased with her friends.
Futhi nakule ndawo le abathi mina bengime khona naye yena umsolwa nayo yona
Umsolwa.
i deceased leyo ngeSaturday ofuthi kwamanga lapho khona lapho kune wife lapho and inama camera that wife leyo.
And furthermore, what has come up is that there is a place where they had said, I was seen standing with the deceased, and in that particular spot or place, there are cameras that are connected to a Wi-Fi.
Same street leyo futhi umakhelwane wami like endlini straight from lapho is not akusukude nakuyo yona leyo wife unama camera futhi.
And furthermore, a neighbor of mine, I think the neighbor resides in the third house on the same street, there are also cameras, and those cameras are also connected to a Wi-Fi.
Nakhona lapho bengizama ukumchazela uhlulekile ukuthi
Umphenyi.
umphenyi aye lapho ayolandelela zonke lezo.
When I finish this information to the investigating officer, he is failing to follow the information that I've given him. Pleading with this court, if it's possible for the investigating officer of this matter to be changed to another worship so that the new IO can make a follow-up with the information that I have already given to this investigating officer. It saddens me because I know that I am innocent.
Umuntu ukhuluma manje utshela inkosi enkantolo amanga njengoba atshela inkosi enkantolo amanga njengoba kushiwo ukuthi mina ngibhekane life sentence bengicela ukuthi ngokuyenzakala ngoba lofakazi lobakusho kwami bayile la mebafika khona umuntu akazangena.
You know, this witness is telling this court lies. This witness is lying because the court has also explained to me that should it happen that I am found guilty, the sentence that I'm facing is life imprisonment. And furthermore, there have been investigations that were done where they had gone to my place of residence to do further investigations where they did not even find any traces or any evidence that proved that the deceased was at my place.
When was it? Will I be correct if I put it to you that if you had an opportunity to hide anything, if there is anything to hide, you will have been able to do so between the date when the deceased passed and the date when you were arrested.
Kuyiqiniso futhi ukuthi uma ngabe ithuba belikhona lokuthi ufihle lokho bekumele ukuthi ufihle uma ngabe bekhona into okumele ukuthi uyifihle ungakwenza lokho ngoba ukusukela usuku la umufi ephangalele khona nangesuku leli wena ubusuboshwe ngalo uma ufuna ukufihla okuthizeni ubuzokufihla nje. But when it comes to DNA, that you cannot hide.
That's what you are saying to this court.
Yinto eshoyo le nkantolo.
More especially you know about DNA.
Ngoba lapha ngathi wena unalo ulwazi uma sikhuluma ngezo hlolofuzo. It's because I know that the truth will come out. should blood spill, there's no way that they cannot detect that there was blood that was spilled.
Yes, because you have it figured out.
You have?
You have it figured out. Put it to you that you are informing this court that the deceased did not die at number 251 where she was seen with him.
Manje uthi ke yena uzotshela uMahluleli ukuthi kusho ukuthi umufi azange ashone kephi enumber 251 la abonakale enawe khona.
Akubonakala ukuthi ngabonakala ngoba njengoba ngisho ukuthi kunama-cameras e-Same Street yona nasele e-Third House from lapho ngihlala khona kunama-cameras. If bangaya lana ngikwazi ukubona.
No.
Nasewudweni kune-Wi-Fi inama-camera.
No, that is not possible. Because I even indicated to this court that, there are cameras.
It's not going to assist the state. I put it to you that you used streets that you are aware that there are no cameras since you are aware of the cameras around them.
Kanjani ngisebenzisa imigwaqo ukuthi umuntu ofakazayo ecourt athi mina lo umufi uzibekwane ungenile kwami.
How so? How so? Because there's a witness that you just mentioned to this court that this witness had actually spotted me or saw me with the deceased at my place of residence.
That's it.
But what I'm explaining to this court is that this particular witness is not being truthful to this court because there is evidence of something that could prove that I was never seen with the deceased, whether at my street where I reside or at my place of residence. Obuhlelila umanje wena awunalo ulwazi lokuthi uxhumana kanjani ngokubulawa kwamufi.
Usho ukuthi mina into engingayizwa i-community bathi kimi ngeSaturday ngibonakale nginomufi mina.
What I heard from the community is that on a Saturday, I was seen with the deceased. Oh, of which that is not true. I've never even met up with her. That is the deceased. When I started hearing about this, it was a Sunday in the morning.
Lapho futhi mebezela abantu bandlulile la endlini futhi bengiyi-girlfriend yami ngaleso sikhathi leso kulapho ngilele khona.
And whilst I was asleep, then people started making announcements. And at that stage, I was at my girlfriend's place.
You say the Saturday when you came back from Davidton, you spent the night at your girlfriend's place.
Mawubuye eDavidton ngomgqibelo, wena uye waqeda ubusuku bonke entombini yakho. That is correct.
And where does your girlfriend reside?
Intombi yakho lesiqindamathe sakho lesi sona sihlala kephi?
Futhi is between E and T. La ahlala khona futhi mina ngihlala lapha kuleside lase-T. Yena uhlala kuleside lase-E.
Okay, we are separated. Remember, it's a block of flats and it's separated with sections. So I stay at the D section and she stays at the E section. Uyizwile ke manje ke izinhlobo lezokuthiwa wena uzobukana nazo. Kwezinye zeinhlolo zokuthi wena yicala lokubulala, ukubulala lokhu wena okuhlelile. I hear that.
How will you be pleading to the church in the coming trial?
Mase sekufikile ke manje ke ukuthi enene lecala liqulwe uzoqala leli uyalivuma okanye icala leli uyaliphika.
Hayi ngiyenzanga.
I did not do it.
The deceased in this case, did you know her?
Umufi waleli cala ubumazi.
Angimazi nokumazi ngakaze ngibona umazi njengoba sebathi.
I don't know who the deceased is. I've never met up with the deceased. I've never even seen her. I only heard when I was charged that I've murdered her.
Please, yes, can we do the rest of it?
Yes.
Yes, I'll just adjourn for 5 minutes.
Yes.
Otherwise, how many?
Okay.